Hey guys, it's ᵈᵒ or Yadi, whatever you want to call me, and this is my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video, guys. For today's video, I decided to try out a rubber band's hairstyle, as you guys can see. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Alright, so I'm gonna go separate my hair off camera because the setup is like weird. Like I'm using two mirrors to do it and I really need to focus so it's straight. So I'll just be right back, don't worry. Alright, so I'm back. So for this hairstyle, I'll be doing two puffs with a braid going in the middle, and then I'll section it off into two strands and attach them to my puffs. Then I'm going to have two rows of elastics going crisscross. I'm going to show you guys what the products I'm using to create this hairstyle. The elastics I'm using is by the brand TPU. They're like this. My sister purchased a wig. I'm not sure where it's from. I can't remember right now, but I'll put right here where it's from. But with the package that it came in, they gave her rubber bands. So I'm going to be using them. There's blue in here, red, yellow, orange, purple, Worcester is green. To moisturize my hair, I'm going to be using ᵠᵒʰᵗ. This is a mask, but you can use it as a leave-in. I'm going to be using water to make my hair soft. ᵒᵒʰᵗ gel, the brown one. This is the 1 container. I'm going to be using olive oil to grease my scalp. I'll be using a regular comb, wide tooth comb, tail comb, and a brush. So let's just get started. Okay, so I'm going to put this all in one ponytail. And I'm going to do my puff. This gets crisscrossed on this one, and I'm going to put blue on this one. And then pull it, and then this one gets orange. Just make sure I'm not pulling my scalp too hard. Okay, so now I bring these in like so. Oh snap, who is she? So this is what's looking so far. It's cool. So I kind of messed it up though. The smaller the better, I think. I make these ones too big. But whatever I do to this side, I have to do it to this side. So let's get started on this side. Alright, I think it got a little bit darker, but I'm finished. It looks pretty good. I like it. Okay, so now I'm going to comb this out, spray my hair, do my edges, put a little bit of makeup on, and I'll show you guys the final reveal then.
A few moments later.
Alright, so this is the final look. So that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was fun to try this hairstyle. I might try it again. Not might. I will definitely try this again. Maybe try this when I go to a barbecue or when I'm going to a party or something like that. So yeah. If you liked this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know if I should do another hairstyle similar to this. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!